Dear Prylywydd, I want to reiterate that hospices are providers of expert palliative care, and closures like we've seen in the case of Shalom House must be avoided wherever possible. Members will no doubt be aware of excellent hospice care being delivered in their own constituencies and regions. For example, in my constituency, the Paul Sartori Foundation provide outstanding nursing care in people's homes, and I refer members to my register of members' interests, as I'm a proud member of that foundation. Their hospice at home service is available 365 days of the year, and they operate a 24/7 on-call service. And there are many examples of important care like this being delivered in communities right across Wales. That's why I believe that investing in a sustainable funding model for the sector is an investment in safeguarding essential services. We cannot allow the hospice sector to continue to be reliant on piecemeal cash injections from the Welsh Government, because it makes effective long-term planning almost impossible.